everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. I have for you today my this is not my first, this is my second Ipsy Plus. This one I just got in, and so I wanted to make sure I got it filmed and up for you guys. Usually at the end of the month I review all the products I get in my boxes and bags. I won't be doing that this month. You guys know I'm going to be having surgery and I am just not going to be able to do it. So we will resume that in the future. Next year. Wow, only next year. So anyway, let's get into this box. This is Hi Ipster. It's time to dig into your December Glam Bag Plus. And I love that it has a card and it has prices. And I didn't bring a calculator. I'm recovering from a cold or really bad, some sort of virus. You can hear it in my voice. I don't even feel like adding these up, so I will put the price down below at the end of the video. It'll just be on the screen. So let's get started looking at this month's Ipsy Plus. I'm going to pull out the bag first. I have opened this. Yes, I have. So this is not all new to me. Let me grab my trash can. This is the bag. When I first opened it, I'm like, oh, okay. And then I did the magic. I have a pillow that does this. My nieces have stuffed animals that does this. I have pajamas that does this. Yes, I do. But I find it doesn't go all the way up. I mean, it would have been nice. It's nice, but it's not a wow bag. I love the sequins and I love it. I'm debating about giving this to my niece, but I have two nieces. Well, I have a ton of nieces, but I have two little ones that are nearby that I see, and one might be jealous of the other, so I don't know. Maybe I'll hang on to this bag for a while. I hadn't even opened it up. There's nothing in it but paper. It is a nice bag. I'm going to hang on to it. But I wish it, like, the sequins went up all the way to the very tippy top. These don't move. So it looks kind of funky. But anyway, that's the bag. There we go. Now, the most important stuff is what is inside. So let's get started. I'm going to follow the card. First I have on my card is Farrah Gold Face Brush Trio. This is what it looks like. It's valued at $40. So let's open these up. Got the little bag here, which I am going to get rid of. Don't need to keep it. I love that they have covers. That's good for travel. I will try to hang on to the covers. I will not guarantee that I will. I'll forget about it. I love these handles. I love the handles. I love how they fit, how they have finger grips. I'm going to take the tops off. Are you coming off? You don't want to come off. This one doesn't want to come off. No? Maybe I have to push it through. Alright. Hello. Yeah. Alright. Oh, it feels really nice. Look how, I like how it's the dark bristles are denser than the white bristles. So it's thicker here and then much thinner at the top. And it feels very soft. This one is even all the way through. And this one feels even all the way through. They feel so nice. Let's see if it says anything special about these. They're 100% vegan. I like that. So yeah, you know how to use makeup brushes. So yeah, these are really nice, very soft, and I am really happy to get these in my collection. It feels really nice. So this is the 50F, the 30F, and the 40F. So 30, 40, and 50F. There we go. Nice set. $40 probably, yeah. Those are nice enough for $40 brushes. Yeah. I say so. So let me lay them over here. Next. What's next? Lancome. Lancome Le Monochromatic in Haute Couture. This is eyes, cheeks, and lip product. I'm going to get rid of the packaging here. Very nice. This is what it looks like. And let me just open it up. Oh, that is a beautiful shade. Let me swatch it. Feels like silk. Feels like silk. Now that's pretty. That's pretty. Oh, very pretty. That is my kind of shade. Would I put that on my cheeks? I don't think so. No, this is not a cheek for me. I will use it on my eyes. And I think I would even try it on my lips. I think that is so pretty. So pretty. So, this sells for $25. It's worth $25, in my opinion. Feels great. Next, Smith & Colt. That's a brand that I've always wanted to try. I don't think I have ever tried anything by Smith & Colt. This is the Book of Eyes palette, and mine is in Mannequin Moves. Mannequin Moves. This sells for $44. I have looked at these on, I think it was Beautylish, and they were $44. And there's some beautiful ones in there. Like I said, I opened the box, but I didn't open all my products. So when I say I opened this before I got it, I have not opened this to see what it looks like. I'm wiping off my handprints there. It's beautiful packaging. That's just gorgeous. Oh, wow, really nice. Oh, is a really nice mirror. And there's the color I got. Mannequin Moves. Beautiful shades. One thing I don't like, it has a, well, it has the plastic and it has Smith & Colt on it. For $44 it should. I can't believe they have this little sponge applicator. Who uses these anymore? You know, that's kind of, I don't like that. But these shades are gorgeous. Let me swatch them. Do they have names? Color names? No. So I'm just gonna swatch all four on my fingers, and this is a, they feel like silk. I don't think that, they don't look like there's a lot of product. I threw the package away. How much product is there? 2.5 grams total. That's a little more than I thought. So there's one. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. It's light. Next is like a taupe color. It looks like a matte. Yeah, the first one was like a shimmer. This is a beautiful matte. That is a beautiful color. I am loving that color. Let's put that one right there. Yeah, that's pretty. There's another shimmer. It's a shimmery taupe, if you can see that. And the last is a glitter. Ooh, that is pretty. Can you see that? That is gorgeous. Those are very they're beautiful. They feel luxurious. That, I think, was worth $44, maybe. I want to try them and just really see how they are. But they feel nice, and the colors are beautiful. So I'm glad I got that one. And then next, Morphe High Impact Highlighter. And mine is an extra. It sells for $14. That sounds like a good price for Morphe. This is the packaging. The only thing I have from Morphe is I have the 35 OS palette. Oh, this has a nice mirror in it. Sounded like something fell out, but it didn't. Okay. This is what it looks like with the mirror. Let me swatch it. Oh, that's a pretty shade. It's like a champagne. A very pretty champagne shade. Yeah, that's pretty. Very nice. I like that. Let me put the plastic back in. Like I said, $14. I think that's worth $14. And then the last thing I have is a skincare product. And I have never heard of this company. Is it 111 Skin, 111 Skin, 111 Skin? I don't know. This is a vitamin C brightening booster, which sounds good. Shake well before use. Mix 1 to 2 drops in with your moisturizer, or apply it directly to your skin after cleansing. And it says to make sure you wear your sunscreen. Definitely, if you use vitamin C, you must wear sunscreen on your face. So, yeah. This is it. Okay. If you hear bumps, and my boys are working in my son's room. No smell. There is no scent to this. I'm going to keep it in the box because it is vitamin C. Vitamin C does go bad quickly. So you need to keep it in, that's why it usually comes in a dark. It usually comes in a dark bottle like this. It will go bad quickly. If I'm not going to use it right away, I want to keep it in the box, keep it out of the light. And I'm not quite ready to use this, so I want to make sure I do that. So that's everything. I will add this up and put the price right here, what this box is worth. I have to say I am pleased with this month's. I'm pleased with everything I got. So yeah, way to go, Ipsy Plus. How many of you are getting Ipsy Plus? Have you signed up? Have you been? I think you have to be asked. Yeah, I remember going through all that. You have to get that invitation. So, are any of you still waiting to get Ipsy Plus? If you guys are getting it, are you enjoying it? Did you guys get anything? I'm sure some of you got things I didn't get. I'd like to hear about that. Just leave a comment down below. I will try to get to your comment as soon as I can. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. And like I said, any questions or comments, just leave them down below. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.